Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aksa Islam, Assistant Professor of English from Government Graduate College, Dubai Mahal Road, Bahawalpur. Dear students, it is a review lecture, and in this lecture, I will discuss question answers of chapter number 1 of book first, that is Button. You already know the story of this chapter. There are three characters in this story: Norma, her husband Arthur, and Mrs. Stewart. Norma and Arthur are quite different persons. Their views and opinions are different. Norma is greedy and ambitious. Arthur believes in moral values and he is a gentleman. Mrs. Stewart is a representative from some organization. Now I will discuss some important short questions. Question number 1. What is the importance or significance of the title Button? Answer is, pressing the button means to initiate an action. Button is the key word around which the whole story moves. Norma presses the button and gets her own husband killed. Question number 2. What was lying by the front door, or what was the shape of the carton? A package was lying by the front door. It was a cube-shaped carton. It was sealed with tape. A handwritten address was printed on it. It read, Mr. and Mrs. Arthur Lewis, 217E, 37th Street, New York, 10016. Question number 3. What was inside the package, or how did the push button unit look? Answer is, there was a push button unit inside the package. It was fixed to a small wooden box. A glass dome covered the button. The glass dome was locked in place. Number 4. How did Stewart persuade Mrs. Lewis to listen to him? Answer is, Norma did not want Mrs. Stewart to enter the house. Then Stewart said that the package could earn them money. In this way, he persuaded her to listen to him. Number 5. What did Stewart withdraw from his coat? Answer is, he withdrew a small sealed envelope from his coat. He said that it contained the key to the bell unit dome. Number 6. What did Mrs. Stewart tell them about the button unit? Answer is, Mrs. Stewart told them that if they pushed the button on the unit, somewhere in the world, someone unknown to them would die. In return, they would get $50,000. Number 7. What was the reaction of Norma after Stewart had left their house? Answer is, Norma was very curious. She wanted to talk about the button unit and the offer. She wanted to know something more about it. Number 8. What were the three options Arthur and Norma discussed about the button unit? Answer is, they said that the offer might be a practical joke, it might be a kind of psychological research, or it might be a trick played by some strange millionaire. Question number 9. Who called Norma on the phone? What did he tell her? Answer is, someone from the Lenox Hill Hospital called Norma. He said that on a crowded platform, Arthur was pushed in front of the train. Question number 10. What sort of person is Norma? Norma is an ambitious and greedy woman. She has no moral sense. She loves money. She wants to get her desires fulfilled. Now there is a short exercise of synonyms. Number 1, Norma repressed a smile. Options for repressed are urged, checked, have, wear. Correct option is checked. Number 2, Mrs. Stewart's tone had been offensive. Options for offensive: deep, rising, falling, unpleasant. Correct word is unpleasant. Number 3, Norma challenged if the button unit was valuable monetarily. Options for monetarily: eminently, extremely, highly, financially. Correct option is financially. Number 4, Norma challenged if the button unit was valuable monetarily. Options for challenged: demanded confirmation, sported, inspired, trusted. Correct option is demanded confirmation. Number 5, Arthur asked Stewart if it was a practical joke. Options for practical joke: delightful matter, depressive offer, business deal, a playful trick. Correct option is a playful trick. Number 6, Stewart said that the offer was genuine. Options: generous, conditional, real, fake. Correct word is real. Stewart looked embarrassed. Options for embarrassed: successful, delighted, mysterious, upset. Correct word is upset. Number 8, Norma asked Arthur if he was curious about the button unit. Options for curious: interested, disgusted, delighted, sad. Correct option is interested. Number 9, Norma asked Arthur if the button unit intrigued him. Options for intrigued: repelled, interested, elevated, delighted. Correct option is interested. Number 10, Norma said that an eccentric millionaire might be doing the trick of button. Options for eccentric: abnormal, generous, sadist, miserly. Correct option is abnormal. Now there are some MCQs. Number 1, in which city did Mr. and Mrs. Arthur live? There are options: New York, London, Paris, Washington. Correct option is New York. Number 2, what did Norma put in the broiler? Beef, chicken, fish, lamb chops. Correct answer is lamb chops. Number 3, to what was the push button unit fastened? iron box, silver box, golden box, wooden box. Correct answer is wooden box. Number 4. What was covering the button unit? A piece of cloth, a paper, glass dome, metal dome. Correct option is glass dome. Number 5. What was scotch taped to the bottom of the unit? A key, a notebook, a folded piece of paper, a dollar. Correct option is a folded piece of paper. Number 6. Why did Norma go into the kitchen? To make salad, to make bread, to make coffee, to make tea. Correct answer is to make salad. How did Stewart look? He was small, tall, fat, bulky. Answer is he was small. Number 8. What did Norma feel about Stewart's tone? Dim, loud, offensive, pleasant. Correct word is offensive. Number 9. What did Stewart withdraw from his pocket? Some money, a pen, a notebook, an envelope. Answer is an envelope. What was inside the envelope Stewart drew from his pocket? A piece of paper, a pen, the key to unit, money. Answer is the key to unit. Dear students, today your homework is that you have to revise this chapter, read it thoroughly, and prepare the question answers. Also prepare translation of this chapter. आज आपने इस चैप्टर की रिवीजन करनी है. इसके अलावा जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको डिस्कस किए, इसके अलावा भी क्वेश्चंस आप प्रिपेयर करें. आप इसके टेक्स्ट को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ें, क्योंकि एग्जामिनर कहीं से भी कोई क्वेश्चन दे सकता है. आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव पैटर्न है, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन कोई भी आ सकता है. अगर आपने टेक्स्ट अच्छी तरह से पढ़ी हुई है तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन जो इसका अटैम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. तो ये आज आपका रिवीजन लेक्चर था. तो इस तरह से आपके ये लेक्चर्स हैं वो जारी रहेंगे. जो आपका शॉर्ट सिलेबस है उसके मुताबिक जो है आपने चैप्टर्स को रिवाइज करना. थैंक यू सर.